Ke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Breaking news bafowethu, ugoalkeeper we-Kaizer Chiefs usesibhedlela. La sikhuluma ngogoalkeeper wase-Rwanda laphana uNtwari. Uhambile waya laphana esibhedlela wenza i-shoulder surgery noma ngithi ihlombe lakhe linenkinga. Kusho ukuthi kula bali-disconstruct-a noma bali-reconstruct-a balilungisa laphana. So lo goalkeeper lona uneminyaka ewu-26, ubhizi nge-injury yakhe, i-rehab nezinye izinto. Ngeke adlale until next year after i-AFCON or so it's gonna be out for some time for Kaizer Chiefs. But at the same time, Kaizer Chiefs ayimdingi uNtwari because already bona ne-Kaizer Chiefs bebanama-complications, to be fair. So already they were already dealing with i-squad se-Kaizer Chiefs without yena because of uneyinkinga no-coaches be-Kaizer Chiefs. But kwela kubo it's a big blow for kwela kubo because of goalkeeper number one. I think this gives abanye goalkeeper laphana eRwanda because of his undisputed number one. Isikhathi sakhe saku-Kaizer Chiefs asikabe right-ke bafethu, sikhumbule ukuthi wasayinwa nge-Big Buzz kuthiwa uzokwenza ey'bukwayo for i-Kaizer Chiefs, but izinto azange zisebenze kahle for yena ne-Kaizer Chiefs because wadlala 7 games wa-concede 11 goals. After lokho wahlala ebhenchini almost unyaka wonke before wadlala laphana ku-Carling knockout for i-Kaizer Chiefs. So things are not looking good at all. Considering the fact that i-Kaizer Chiefs vele ifuna ukumhambisa uNtwari manje ngoJanuwari bebafuna ukumhambisa. So bazomhambisa kanjani manje? Enye inkinga futhi bafethu, because bazomhambisa kanjani umuntu o-injured? Ayikho i-team ezomthatha umuntu o-injured. Uzoba out uDisemba wonke bafowethu, wonke uDisemba abe out futhi uJanuwari wonke, meaning that i-Kaizer Chiefs isasenenkinga. Kusho ukuthi azohlala lo muntu lo, he can't even go on loan because of ulimele, unless if angakwazi ukurecover in record time. But i-shoulder injury bafethu as ugoalkeeper akusiyinto encane, into eserious. Sazi ukuthi ulimale kuphi, ku-Kaizer Chiefs or ulimale ku-Rwanda, because the last time evimba simbona wavimba against i-South Africa la consider khona ama-goals awathinta awu-2. It was a given in fact because of bekumele akwazi ukudila nawo lawo mabhola lawo. But-ke he was not injured kuleya game leya, to be fair. But-ke asazi ukuthi kwenzakalani because of no one, even i-Kaizer Chiefs, they don't update about yena. Why? Maybe they will after i-media buzz ilokhu i-reporta ngale nto le, because of baneyinkinga ne-Kaizer Chiefs. They don't see him as a goalkeeper or they can build on him maybe i-future laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, to be honest. Kuneyinkinga nje. And I think inkinga zikhoswa futhi yilokhu njana ucoach wase-Rwanda bafethu ufuna ukungena kule nto le i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi why angadlali. Ngeke nayibonaphi le ukuthi ugoalkeeper ulona man ucoach, international coach yakhe ibhizi fonela abantu ethimini yakhe ukuthi why angadlali ugoalkeeper. Abanye abantu bayasho ukuthi no man, maybe lo coach wase-Rwanda ukhuluma kakhulu kangaka because of uyi-agent lalo mdlali lo, so uyabenefitha lo mdlali lona meyidlala, so mengadlali uyaluza. So yeah, but at the same time, as much as like eneyinkinga ne-Kaizer Chiefs or kubonakala ngathi ku-Kaizer Chiefs i-future yakhe ayikho, but this is set for i-career yakhe going forward because of ukulimala bafethu akusiyinto encane. Let's go back to this thing, lento engikhulume ngayo. Kaizer Chiefs already this season bafethu idila nama-injuries amaningi kakhulu. Angazi idile nama-player over 10 incane, over 10 players already this season adila nama-injuries and stuff. So naye i-setback lena fresh laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, I mean kuzoba difficult kakhulu for yena. I think mentally kumele akwazi ukuthi abe strong mentally. But to be honest, i-Kaizer Chiefs ngeke iwari nge-injury yakhe cause akadlali. But their biggest worry would be in game time nemali, izinto ezinjalo, because Kaizer Chiefs it means that kumele bahlale babhadale umuntu ohlele ebhenchini ongeke aye naku-loan, meaning that he won't even play at all because i-game time bekazoyithola lese kwamanye ama-team ukuthi lese if bamhambise nge-loan, i-Kaizer Chiefs beyizokwazi ukumthengisa come January. No, beyizokwazi lese kumlona ngoJanuwari or imthengise ngoJanuwari at i-cost mhlampe encane, but-ke manje they can't do that. They are stuck naye laphana ne-injury yakhe. So kuzoba nzima kwela kubo-ke Rwanda kula bazoba worried khona because of they need him njengoba bengishilo bafethu. So yeah, njengoba simbona umfethu la kuzoba nzima kakhulu, but operation bafethu yabona u-goalkeeper olimala ihlombe inkinga because of uyadive isikhathi esiningi. So angathi abuye aphinda awe ngale hlombe leli lakhe la alimele khona, qalele phansi futhi lento le. So siyoze simbone next year. Asazi ukuthi obani-ke abazomthatha-ke from ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs asene-contract, I think iphela, not sure if iphela 2027 or 26, but yeah. That is why we've seen, but-ke we've seen even the young boys bafethu getting an opportunity laphana. I remember uNtwari be-right before ayalena eRwanda, there was a time la engekho khona ejimini. Already then bekunama-questions ukuthi kwenzakalani ngempela between yena ne-Kaizer Chiefs. But-ke bakhona o-goalkeeper laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Number one, undisputed number one, uPeterson. Kusho ukuthi i-backup yakhe uVuma. That is why we will see more of uMokoena, umfana waku-DDC team, bambize laphana ku-first team. So bona ukuthi indaba kaBuntle Molefe noma ngithi uKarabo Molefe, banye u-fourth goalkeeper choice we-Kaizer Chiefs, ukuthi yena uzoba kuphi kule nto le, because akekho at the moment. Ngathi naye uphinde walimala futhi uKarabo, angazi ukuthi wenzakala because of there's no way babiza uGoalkeeper waku-DDC team, whereas uGoalkeeper waku-first team fourth choice ukhona. So yeah, noKarabo there's something eyenzakalayo ngaye laphana uMolefe. Yabo lama-injuries waku-Kaizer Chiefs ayabahlasela bafethu. So uPeterson form of his life la bekubonakala ngathi khona isikhathi sakhe siyaphela, but ku-form of his life, like enough ku-department yabo yoku-goalkeeper, they won't need to change that much. For now njengoba uNtwara out of i-competition, but yeah, I would say i-department yabo goalkeeper beyizoba nenkinga eserious futhi uNtwara bevimba, but-ke akavimbi at all. uMolefe lo ngikhuluma ngayo bafethu i-academy graduate, maybe angathola bit of more minutes mebuya naye laphana. Mangithi minutes ngichaza ukuthi not minutes, wait, no, you won't get ama-minutes inside the field of play, but-ke will make more match day squad. When they are traveling to Al Masry e-Egypt, kumele bathathe o-goalkeeper abawu-3. So bazothatha possibly bangathatha uMokoena if unenkinga uMolefe, or bazothatha uMolefe, asazi. We'll just have to wait and see ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs may travel zothatha obani. Consistency-ke siyazi ukuthi it's a big thing for i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu in terms of emapalini. But uPeterson so far so good. But my biggest worry mangicabanga ngo-goalkeeper be-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi uPeterson if angaba nenkinga bazomthatha apha omunye u-goalkeeper, or they have to give uMolefe an opportunity, because uVuma is not giving a confidence when he's inside the field of play in terms of kube uyu goalkeeper. But-ke ngeke ngasho nasemalangeni ukuthi umuntu akalahlwa because of Peterson okwazile ukuyisave i-career yakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. In fact, i-career yakhe as a whole bebemnika i-opportunity. The first opportunity they gave him ku-Nedbank Cup final, kula qala khona ukuzi-re-establisha as a goalkeeper important for i-Kaizer Chiefs. But yeah, man, in spite of everything that has happened or happening, aphole umfowethu laphana akwazi ukurecover ulona uNtwara goalkeeper wase-Rwanda. Yeah, first choice laphana siyazi eRwanda bafethu, uyiplayela i-Brave, and then i-presence yakhe i-good for i-national team yakhe. Before eza laphana Kaizer Chiefs beka ku-TS Galaxy. TS Galaxy-ke kulaba mthengisa khona, I think around 5 million to i-Kaizer Chiefs. So he was, at the moment, he was supposed to be entering a peak of his years in terms of goalkeeper kule department adlala kuyo, but ama-injuries akuphikisile lokho, athe no mfowethu, no peak years for wena okwamanje, injury. Before lapho, ukuhlala ebhentshini isikhathi eside bafethu kuyalimaza eziplay ngoba i-value yakhe iyehla. Nontwara wakhona bewakhona ama-options ukuthi ayishiye i-Kaizer Chiefs, but inkinga enkulu ukuthi ku-Kaizer Chiefs kunemali. So kwamanye ama-team, lamanye ama-team amfunayo awanayo leyo mali leyo. Le contract leya kuyo ku-Kaizer Chiefs, he would rather sit naye ebhentshini. Cabanga ebhentshini, not even ebhentshini at times bafethu. he would rather not even make the match day squad ukuthi aloku ayithola le mali le ku-Kaizer Chiefs than ukuthi aye kwamanye ama-team thola ukuthi imali yakhe seyikhathwe isengo-50% or 75%. So yeah, kunzima kakhulu bafowethu. I mean, like, it's not easy ukusuka ku-contract let's say ye-200,000 kuya ku-contract ye-60,000 bafowethu. Sengenze example cause Kaizer Chiefs i-big team and iyakwazi ukuholela abadlali kahle. Maybe into emenza ukuthi ahlale ku-Kaizer Chiefs kakhulu. But yeah, it's sad ukuthi ulimele umfethu, sithembe ukuthi uzokwazi ukurecover. But yeah, this guarantees-ke manje ama-youngsters ukuthi azoba khona kuma-match day squad, whether uBunhle Molife if kuyenzeka abuye or uMokoena-ke manje we see more of him if in fact in terms of match day squad uMokoena if uMolife unenkinga. Molife would get more buzz naye ukuthi bamselect laphana kuma-match day squad. Njengoba ngishilo asazi nokuthi kwenzakalani kuMolife, we just saw laphana eThekwini ukuthi bekangekho. I think i-Kaizer Chiefs obviously they don't have a pressure ukuthi baloke bakhuluma ngaye because of naye akadlali umfana, yabo. Cela ukuyibamba la uNtwari aphile bafowethu abe right. Wait before ngihamba